Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel with Machine Learning Third. So we are talking about Machine Learning Third indicates this is probably the third course in your machine learning series. So this course basically suggests a third year of advanced level course that is similar to our machine learning part. And the focus is on advanced topic in machine learning beyond basics like regression or decision tree. So we can say the subtitle shows the SVM and instance-based learning. This specify the first unit or this is your important section of machine learning third. And SVM support vector machine, a supervised learning algorithm used for classification and regression. So it works by finding the optimal hyperplane that separates data points of different classes with the maximum margin. The powerful meaning for high-dimensional data and application like text classification, bioinformatics, and image recognition. Apart from the instance-based learning, a family of algorithms like k-nearest neighbors, locally weighted regression that store examples and make predictions based on similarity between new data and stored instance. So let's break it down with this section. Now, this slide that is titled Introduction to Machine Learning gives an overview of what machine learning is and how it works and where it is used. So let's let us explain one by one. So the definition of machine learning, what does it mean? A machine learning is a subset of AI, as we know, and it focuses on enabling computers to learn automatically from data instead of being programmed with specific rules. The system improves its accuracy and performance over time through experience. This is called this is called learning from data. For an example, when we use Netflix, it learns what kind of movies we like and improves recommendation without being explicitly programmed to do so. Now, the main point is how it works. It means how ML works. ML algorithm analyze large amount of data to discover hidden patterns, relationship and trend. After learning these patterns, the system can make predictions or decision on new data. For example, a spam filter analyzes past emails that is known as spam or not spam to identify what makes an email spam, then uses the pattern to classify new emails automatically. Third one is data-driven learning. ML involves feeding data into algorithms. The more diverse and high quality the data, the better learning. So the model uses this data to make predictions or classification when unseen data is given. For an example, in a weather prediction system, past weather data helps predict future weather condition. So this is the major factor of machine learning. Another application is basically all real-time applications or real-world applications, including image recognition, that is facial recognition, medical imaging, etc. Speech recognition, known as voice assistants like Alexa or Siri. Language translation, Google Translate automatically learns from millions of translation. And recommender system, YouTube, Amazon, and Spotify suggestions. These are the recommended system, or we can say these are the recommender systems. So we are just summarizing this slide. Machine learning empowers computers to think and improve like human by learning from data. It's the core technology behind modern AI system that enabling automation, prediction, and intelligent decision making cross industry. Now, the question is why machine learning matters. So, why machine learning matters? Basically, it explains the importance and advantages of using machine learning in today's world. It highlights four major reasons why machine learning is valuable across industries. So here, this is the explanation of each and every point. First is solve complex problem and why we are studying. So we are talking about the traditional programming requires explicit rules and the logic written by human. However, many real world problems like speech recognition, image classification or fraud detection are too complex to define using fixed rules. So machine learning overcomes these by learning patterns automatically from large amount of data instead of relying on manual coding. So just an example, detecting disease from medical scans or identifying spam emails. So it basically tasks that are too dynamic and details for rule-based system. So let me highlight some kind of sections. So second one is handles huge amount of data quickly. In the modern digital world, enormous data is generated every second. So ML algorithms are designed to process and analyze massive dataset efficiently. So they can identify hidden trends, correlations, and insights in data that would be impossible for human to detect manually. For an example, Google and Amazon use machine learning algorithm to process terabytes of users' data daily to improve search results and recommendation. So third one is our automates repetitive task with accuracy. A machine learning system can automate tasks that require continuous data analysis, reducing human efforts. So these systems perform repetitive tasks consistently and with fewer errors compared to manual methods. So this boosts productivity and allow human to focus on more creative or strategic work. Let's say an example, chatbot, document scanning, and predictive maintenance in manufacturing. So last one is our fourth section, that is improves and adapts over time with more data. So one of the machine learning biggest strength is its ability to learn and improve continuously. So as new data is added, so machine learning models refine their prediction and accuracy automatically. This means performance keep improving without reprogramming. Just an example, recommendation system like Netflix get better over time as they learn more about user preference. So we are just summarizing this slide. So machine learning matters because it solves previously unsolvable problems, efficiently process big data, automates routine work with precision, and continuously improve with experience. So together these abilities make machine learning a cornerstone of modern technology and innovation. So in our next slide, we will discuss about machine learning and how it works. So what is the actual process behind it? So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel too. Thanks for watching.